Fact or Fiction, brought to you by Time Warner Cable.
In tonight's Fact or Fiction, we're looking at a story being sent around the internet about TV host Bill O'Reilly. Now, the article claims O'Reilly was arrested for assaulting a department store Santa who wished him happy holidays instead of Merry Christmas. Now, as the story goes, O'Reilly punched Santa in the face. The two wrestled to the ground before security guards stepped in. It is true, O'Reilly has used his television show to blast what he claims is a war on Christmas. The article, though, is pure fiction. It was published on the satirical website The Daily Current, which makes up phony news stories. In fact, on the website's frequently asked questions page, the first question is, are your news stories real? And the answer clearly is no. If you'd like to submit a question to us, just go to 10news.com, click on that red TV button, and look for Fact or Fiction. We'll be right back.